Hi everyone and welcome to the brilliant little backyard. The end of winter now, spring is coming soon and the strawberries in the pots will start growing and producing, and to give them the best chance of producing more and growing better, we're going to redo the pots. The way to redo the pots is very simple. We'll take the old growth, maybe divide some crown, take the old mulch, add a new compost and add a layer of mulch on top, and we're going to do it now. We'll start wearing good pair of gloves, and then we will try to take all the old growth. I prefer to use scissor to cut the old growth. The strawberries very resilient. Even if you cut most of the leaves, they will still grow and produce new leaves. It's very important to take out all the old leaves. They might have some disease and bacteria and mold. So we'll clean up every old and dry leaf and put them in a bag to later on maybe add them to the compost away from the pots. Now, after we cleaned up all the old leaves, I'm going to take all the mulch out of the pot. Of course, we can add them to the compost too. And then I'm going to remove approximately 10 centimeter of the thickness of the soil from the top all around the crowns. Then I will pull out some extra crowns to plant into another pot, and I will keep only 3 crowns in a pot to give them plenty of space to grow. These are good crowns to grow. They will produce this spring plenty of fruit. Now it's time to add some good mulch and good compost. So we'll start with compost. We'll refill the pot with good compost, making sure that the crowns kept above the soil. It's very important to keep the crown always above the soil and on a mound to help with drainage. And in case of rain or water on top of them, they will dry and drain in a better way. Now the mulch I'm using is sugarcane mulch, organic, and I'm going to top up with a generous layer of the mulch to keep the moisture in. After we mulch them, it's time to give them a good drink of water. And after this, I will repeat the process to all other pots. And this is the end results. Please subscribe if you like to support the channel, and thank you so much.